You put a lot of people's lives at risk. No, don't even say anything. There ain't no excuse for what you did. You put my life at risk, his life at risk, and every one of these officers here. Being an idiot.
There's a trooper up ahead of us. We're going to try to get a stop. It's a gold sports bike. Passed me doing about 120 at Blackwell. We're at the 104 eastbound.
38's in the lead to 37.
105 eastbound right now. Coming up on the 106 eastbound, 140 miles an hour. Yeah, 10-4 direct, just staying off the radio. Coming up on the 107 at 140. It's a gold and black sports bike, single occupant male driver. Dark clothing, black helmet, passing the 107, 140.
107, 140.
The tag, or the motorcycle does not have a 28 on it either. Cars, so you could let Conway County know as well, please. Passing the 108, 140 miles an hour, light traffic. Coming up on the 109, 140 miles an hour, he's splitting semis. He's split between a semi and a minivan.
Shoulders, clear, clear, clear.
Passing the 110 turnaround, 140 miles an hour. He's in the left lane. Of course, let Troop Buddy know if you haven't already. Passing the 112.
145,
It was clear, I can see.
Past the 113 eastbound, 142 miles per hour. Light traffic. .114 eastbound, he's splitting cars again. 140 miles an hour. Or 40 miles an hour. Coming up on the 117, he's split several cars here. He's gained on us a little bit. We're trying to get caught up back up to him. We're at 130 right now. Adam 4 Clarksville, do you have a supervisor that's direct on this pursuit? Coming up on the 117 eastbound right now. Can you still see him up there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, yeah, I see him. He's split some semis up ahead of us. We just passed the 117 eastbound. He's running steady about 140, 145. What's traffic look like where you at?
No.
It's medium right here. There's several semis, but we're just now getting by them, getting out of it. How far is it? Coming up on the 119 eastbound, 115 miles per hour right now, light traffic. How far ahead is the bike? 38's a little bit ahead of me. The motorcycle's not too far ahead of him. He's still got a visual on it, I believe.
J38 cars, so 110-22. He got a pretty good lead right now. If you just let Troop A know, he's still headed that way.
Yeah. 132 Little Rock, we're 1037, now to 124.
Adam 4, Adam 9, are you direct?
Adam 4 is direct. Who was that 1037? 89 and 132. Alright, 89, you got it if you're not trying. Going off, we're passing the 124, back on the interstate, he's on the shoulder, speed about full of water. Speed about 120 is all I got, man.
4, back to south.
Make a U-turn right there.
We're getting him there. Josh has to drive down there. Pull up a little bit.
Got him.
He's got out of the pink line from MPH.
No, we're right. I got some guts on my car. We're 1015 and just minor damage to the paint. Clearly now.
31 to 10:15. You want Pafford?
I just got out of Fort Smith Court.
Do you have a rep?
You have an ID? Yes, sir.
Give it to one of these troopers. Where's your ID
My
at?
wallet right here.
Do you have any weapons on you?
That
5-6 stolen. Probably.
I'm a witness.
We're here on 4 still in Blackwell. We're 10 minutes. Thank you.
They could jump down the wall.
No, Laura, I'm working on a 28. There's no license plate on it. I'll get you in.
Yeah, passenger side. Passenger side. You want them in your car? They don't. Yeah, you can take them. I don't care. Right up here. Yeah. Hey, can you put them in the back of Robert's car? Thank you.